Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about something you probably already have in your kitchen. Ginger. This humble root has been used for over 4,000 years, not just as a spice, but as powerful natural medicine. When eaten daily, ginger can bring incredible changes to your body. Stick around as we uncover 15 amazing benefits of eating ginger every day, and a few things you should watch out for. Benefit 1. Relieves nausea. If you've ever had motion sickness or morning sickness, ginger is your friend. It stimulates digestion, relaxes the stomach, and calms nausea naturally. A warm cup of ginger tea can be a gentle remedy whenever your stomach feels unsettled. In fact, many people keep ginger candies on hand for long trips to avoid travel sickness. Benefit 2. Boosts immunity. Ginger's natural compounds, like gingerol, help your immune system stay strong. They support white blood cells, improve circulation, and make it harder for infections to spread. Simply put, ginger acts like a shield, protecting your body from everyday germs. Adding a little ginger to your daily tea or smoothie can be an easy habit that strengthens your body's defenses over time. Benefit 3. Eases migraines. If you suffer from migraines, ginger may bring relief. It reduces inflammation and relaxes blood vessels, lowering the intensity of migraine pain. Some studies even suggest that ginger powder works almost as well as common migraine medication without the side effects. Next time you feel that headache building, try ginger tea before reaching for pills. Benefit 4. Supports cancer prevention. Research shows ginger's antioxidants may help slow down abnormal cell growth. While it's not a cure, including ginger regularly in your diet may lower long-term risk factors. Antioxidants protect your cells from oxidative stress, the same stress that leads to cancer, aging, and chronic illness. That's why adding ginger to your meals or tea is more than flavor, it's long-term protection. Benefit 5. Balances blood sugar. For people managing type 2 diabetes, ginger can be a helpful ally. It improves insulin sensitivity and helps regulate blood sugar after meals. Stable blood sugar not only prevents sudden crashes and cravings but also protects your energy throughout the day. A teaspoon of ginger powder in warm water could be a small habit with big benefits. Benefit 6. Reduces anxiety. Feeling stressed or restless? Ginger has been used for centuries as a calming herb. Its soothing effects may help reduce anxious feelings and promote relaxation. Some people even inhale ginger's aroma for an instant lift in mood. It's like comfort in a cup. Benefit 8. Supports asthma relief. Asthma makes breathing difficult, but ginger may help relax airway muscles and reduce mucus buildup. It improves airflow, making each breath easier. While it's not a replacement for medical treatment, using ginger in your daily diet may help reduce the frequency of flare-ups. Benefit 9. Protects brain health. One of ginger's most powerful effects is on the brain. Its antioxidants may reduce harmful plaques linked to Alzheimer's disease, keeping your brain sharp as you age. Daily ginger use may help with memory, reaction time, and focus, keeping your mind as active as your body. Benefit 10. Supports weight loss. Did you know ginger can also support weight loss? Compounds like gingerol boost metabolism and help your body burn calories more efficiently. Ginger also keeps you feeling full for longer, so you're less likely to snack unnecessarily. Combined with healthy eating and exercise, it can be a natural ally in your fitness journey. Benefit 11. Fights infections. Ginger has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. It helps fight harmful bacteria and can even protect against common infections. Drinking ginger tea regularly may give your body an extra line of defense against seasonal colds and other illnesses. Benefit 12. Reduces inflammation and joint pain. For those struggling with arthritis or sore muscles, ginger may bring relief. Its anti-inflammatory compounds act like natural pain relievers, reducing swelling and stiffness in the joints. Whether taking as tea, added to meals, or even used in warm compresses, ginger supports easier movement and less discomfort. Benefit 13. Relieves menstrual pain. Ginger works wonders for menstrual pain. Its natural anti-inflammatory compounds called gingerol relax the muscles of the uterus, offering relief as effective as painkillers, but in a natural way. To ease cramps, drink a warm cup of ginger twice a day during your period. Just boil fresh ginger slices for 5 to 10 minutes and add a little honey. Benefit 14. Promotes healthy skin. Want glowing skin? Ginger's antioxidants fight free radicals that cause dullness and early wrinkles. It boosts blood flow, leaving your skin brighter and more even-toned. For glowing skin, drink ginger tea or add a few drops of ginger juice to your face mask, once or twice a week. It helps reduce blemishes and keeps your skin naturally radiant. Benefit 15. Supports gut health. Ginger keeps your gut in balance. It supports good bacteria, reduces bloating, and improves nutrient absorption, keeping your digestive system happy. To support your gut, take a cup of ginger tea after meals or chew a small piece of fresh ginger daily. It helps digestion and keeps your gut flora healthy. Now, before you start adding ginger to everything, here's a quick note. Most people tolerate it well, but large amounts may cause mild stomach upset. Ginger can also interact with diabetes medications, blood thinners, or heart medicines. So, if you have health conditions, check with your doctor first. And the amount of ginger that you need to consume to have a negative effect is more than you would normally consume in a day. So, don't worry, be happy. Add ginger to your food and enjoy the benefits. So, there you have it. Ginger is more than just a spice. From easing nausea and digestion to protecting your brain, boosting immunity, supporting weight loss, and much more, this little root can truly transform your health. Try it in teas, smoothies, or meals, and feel the benefits for yourself. Remember, incorporating these healthy habits doesn't have to be complicated. A little slice of ginger in your tea or a sprinkle in your stir-fry can make a huge difference. What other natural remedies are you curious about? Let me know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our weekly health tips. And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite way to enjoy ginger? Thanks for watching and stay healthy.